Isang bagong television project ang niluluto sa Arizona. Tampok dito ang lumalawak na ethnic diversity ng estado at ang papel nito sa local economy. Silipin natin ang The Arizona Mosaic sa Agenda Report ni U.S. Correspondent Dong Robles.
Patuloy ang pagbabago ng mga demographic profile ng Arizona. Bukod sa Filipino-American community, mabilis ding lumalaki ang populasyon ng Latino, Vietnamese, Korean, Indian, Bangladeshi, Japanese at iba pang ethnic groups. Ayon sa mga local economic groups, malaking bahagi ng growth ng small businesses at professional services sa estado ay nagmumula sa immigrant-led enterprises, mula retail at food services hanggang healthcare, IT at real estate.
The seeds are already here. And Arizona in particular, I think has experienced a lot of poverty.
Sa ganitong konteksto, pumapasok ang The Arizona Mosaic, isang media project na kasalukuyang nasa pilot phase at layong idokumento kung paano nagiging bahagi ng economic at social framework ng Arizona ang iba't ibang komunidad. Sa pilot recording na isinagawa sa Bean Chain Coffee sa Mesa, tinipon ng ilang community leaders at professionals para talakayin ang karanasan nila sa negosyo, workforce participation at community engagement.
Being the first Pinay elected in Arizona is an honor. And being able to share my culture, my history, is also a great, tremendous responsibility and honor, both for my family, my community.
In Arizona, you have great people like Tommy Ranger who's sitting in the room. Tommy Ranger is doing this amazing event called the Pickleball event. We're going to be doing a Dink and Dine. It's going to be in Mesa, right behind Big Bass Pro Shop off at 202. And I have to promote it because it's going to be like a giant telethon.
Sa ngayon, patuloy pang pinapanday ang direksyon at format ng nasabing programa. Sinusuring mabuti ng production team ang mas tamang timpla nito na magpapakita ng mga kwentong may business relevance, hindi lamang bilang human interest stories, kundi bilang bahagi ng mas malawak na usapin ng economic development and inclusion. Para sa Agenda, Dong Robles, Billionaire News Channel, Phoenix, Arizona.